Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, along with Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, held a crucial meeting with Urban Development Department officials, ministers, and district in charge officials to address the worsening water crisis in Bengaluru. A staggering 223 taluks have been declared drought-affected, with 219 facing severe drought conditions. In a bid to tackle the water crisis, the Chief Minister emphasized the government's commitment to ensuring an uninterrupted drinking water supply and pledged financial support. An allocation of 854 crore rupees has been disbursed to district authorities, with an additional 70 crore rupees earmarked for borewells. District commissioners have been empowered to utilize these funds to mitigate water scarcity as needed. The administration has already conducted 646 task force meetings and 307 district-level consultations. Specifically addressing the drinking water challenges, Siddaramaiah outlined plans for affected areas, highlighting the presence of 596 borewells across 500 villages and 418 panchayats. In Bengaluru, efforts include the deployment of over 120 BBMP tankers and 130 BWSSB tankers. The Chief Minister vowed to streamline the escalating cost associated with water tankers, currently ranging from 600 rupees to 3,000 rupees. Asserting a zero-tolerance policy towards laxity, Siddaramaiah directed officials to prioritize resolving the water crisis and warned against complacency. He emphasized the acquisition of private borewells to augment the water supply in affected regions. Additionally, 140 crore rupees has been allocated to Zilla Panchayat CEOs, with an additional 40 crore rupees released for fodder production. Furthermore, each taluk now has a dedicated task force under the leadership of DCs, while disaster management committees are also chaired by them. Siddaramaiah assured that there is no immediate threat to drinking water availability as all dams have sufficient reserves. The Chief Minister also raised concerns about pending funds from the central government, citing a delay in the release of 1,700 crore rupees allocated for wages. Additionally, requests for 17,700 crore rupees and 18,171 crore rupees have been submitted to the centre through memorandums for various projects.
We have taken up a meeting of all DCs. Today, myself, Deputy CM and other ministers, we took up a meeting of all DCs and CEOs and some district in charge ministers and some secretaries in charge of the districts. They were also present. I have strictly instructed all the DCs and CEOs, as far as the drinking water problem is concerned, because drinking water is a priority. Next comes irrigation and other. Don't be lethargic as far as the drink water is concerned. Don't be neglect on this. If anybody is neglected, the government will take serious action against the DCs and CEOs. There should not be any problem as far as the drinking water is concerned. I have instructed to take over the private borewells and also appoint tankers to supply water to the problematic villages and the wards. whatever money is required, the government is ready to give. It's already with the DCs, 854 crores rupees are in their PD accounts, and also 140 crores is with the Rural Development Department. In addition to this money available with the DCs and the Tahsildars and the Rural Development Department, I have taken a decision to release another 70 crores rupees for drilling of new borewells wherever required, wherever necessary. DCs are given powers and they have to use their discretion. And also in every taluka there is a task force headed by sitting MLAs. And also disaster management committee at the district level headed by DCs. The task force committee at the state level and also disaster management committee at the district level, they look after all these problems. So far there is no problem as far as the fodder is concerned. But the government of Karnataka has released 40 crores rupees to Animal Husbandry, Agriculture Department and Sericulture Department to grow fodder. And I have instructed all the DCs to collect the fodders and also pass an order to ban the fodder from one district to another district.
Declared 230 talukas as drought-affected. You say you have the money as well, but
So far as drinking water is concerned, there is no problem so far as the water we are drawing from the
Dams.
dams.
Private borewells hiring.
No problem so far as the dams are concerned because stored water is there in all the dams so far as for the purpose of the drinking water. Narega I have already instructed, but so far the wage portion has not been given.
Wage and materials. Wage and material. More than 1,700 crores.
2,000?
1,700 crores.
1,700 crores. 1,700 crores. The wages part has not come from Government of India. And we have submitted a memorandum, 2 memorandums, as far as the drought is concerned. One memorandum, 17,791 crores. The another memorandum, 171 crore rupees. But so far, not a single pie has been released by Government of India.
No, even we are going to help those all private apartments. We definitely will help. Even if it is an apartment or even if it is slum, it is our bound duty to help everyone. to help see that they should not be exploited. Even the private apartments also should not be exploited. The factory people also should be. We will on the on the kilometer of the transport, we'll fix up a price. What may come, I am assuring you to the people of Bengaluru and the people of Karnataka, we will provide water. We know we are facing a very difficult situation. That is why we fought for water, for Mekedatu. I hope the central government will at least come to a rescue now to see that this Mekedatu problem is sorted out.